Hi friend, welcome to my channel! Let's draw anger and fear from inside out 2 together. Are you ready? Let's start! Let's draw anger. Draw a curved line for the forehead. Draw 2 semicircles for the eyes and 3 small circles for the pupils. For the mouth, draw a rounded rectangle. Draw 2 horizontal lines for the teeth and add small vertical lines inside them. Draw the tongue with 2 curved lines. Draw a diagonal line for the sleeve and 4 lines for the cuff. Draw the first. Follow me as I'm doing it. Draw another diagonal line for the sleeve and draw 2 triangles for the collar. Draw the head outline following the already drawn design. For the flames on the head, draw many small lines of different lengths and add a few more inside. Draw the other first. Draw the knot of the tie with 3 small lines and the lower part with a diagonal line, 2 small diagonal lines and another diagonal line. Draw 2 curved lines for the edge of the shirt. For the pants, draw a diagonal line, an elongated rectangle, 2 small diagonal lines and a horizontal one, another diagonal line and another elongated rectangle. Draw 2 curved lines for the belt and 5 small vertical lines inside it. Draw the shoe with an inverted V-shaped line and add another line inside for the sole. Do the same for the other shoe. Draw some triangles inside the tie. Great job! Anger turned out fantastic! Now let's draw fear. Let's start with the nose. Draw it with a curved line in the shape of an inverted U. Draw a circle for the eye. Draw a curved line for the eyelid and draw 3 small circles for the pupil. Now draw the other eye as well. Draw the outline of the face with a curved line in the shape of an inverted U for the mouth, an inverted V-shaped line and close the outline with a tight curved line. Draw the teeth with a horizontal line and add small vertical lines inside them. Draw the tongue with a curved line and close the inside of the mouth with a curved line. Draw 2 rounded triangles for the eyebrows and draw the top with a spiral line. Draw the bow tie with a circle and 2 rounded triangles on the sides. Draw the collar. Draw the hand like I do. Draw 2 curved lines and 2 diagonal lines for the arm. Draw the torso with 2 vertical lines. Draw a curved line and a small triangle for the tank top. Draw a diagonal line, an inverted U-shaped line, and another diagonal line for the sleeve. Draw a line for the cuffs. Now draw the other hand. Draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, and another vertical line for the shirt. Draw the hem with a vertical line, a horizontal line, and another vertical line. Draw 3 curved lines for the pants, and draw 2 elongated rectangles for the cuffs. Now draw the shoes with an inverted V-shaped line and add another line inside for both shoes. Draw the pattern on the shirt with many zigzag lines. Great job! Fear also turned out great. Now let's get the colors. Use black for the inside of the mouth, the belt, the shoes, the hem of your shirt, and some parts of the shirt. Color the lower part of the flames with yellow and the upper part with orange. Use red to color Anger's body and tongues. Use a darker red for Anger's eyes, part of the tie, and the bow tie. Color Anger's shirt with gray and the patterns on Fear's tie and sweater. Color Anger's pants with brown. Use lilac for Fear skin. Color the eyebrows, eyes, and pants with purple. And use light blue for the sleeves. Wow! Our friends Anger and Fear turned out amazing! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!